Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about what is Java and features of Java. Java is a object-oriented class-based programming language. Java is developed by James Gosling in 1995. Java is used in mobile applications, web applications, robust desktop servers, gamings, etc. So let's discuss features of Java. First is simple. Java is a very simple and easy to learn. According to Sun Microsystems, Java is a simple programming language as compared to other programming languages. Java syntax is a very simple. Java syntax is depend on C++ programming language. Java syntax is based on C++. Java is removed operators and pointers. Then third is Java is removed on reference object by automatic garbage collection area. Second feature is object oriented. Java is an object oriented programming language. Object-oriented programming language is a methodology and specifies the software development and maintenance by providing some rules. First is a class, second is a object, third is inheritance, fourth abstraction, five encapsulation. These are the concepts of Java. And third is platform independent. Java is a platform independent programming language. Platform independent means source code. Your source code is performs in any platform, and you can run your program in any platform like Windows, Mac, iOS, etc. This is the platform independent concept. In platform independent, there are two types of platforms. First is a hardware-based platform. Second is a software-based platform. In independent programming language, you can perform your source code in multiple platforms. That is the independent programming language. Then fourth is robust. Java is a robust programming language. Java is a robust programming language because Java is a strong memory management. Then it provides exception handling. Third, it provides automatic garbage collection concept. These are all about the garbage. These are all about the robust programming language. Hence, then multi-threading. In multi-threading, there is a separate package of each thread. In multi-threading, we can perform one action. We can perform many actions simultaneously. Multi-threading is the most important feature for web applications and mobile applications. This is all about in multi-threading. There is no memory allocation for each thread. Multi-threading is provides common memory area. Then secure. Java is a secure programming language. Java is we can develop 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 free antivirus systems in security for security. There is a first is no explicit pointers. Second is variables declare in class. These all about secure language. Then high performance. Java is faster than other programming languages like C, C++. Java is close to Java's bytecode is close to native code. Then architecture neutral. In architecture neutral, there is no required to implementation because there is no implementation in architecture neutral. These are the features of Java. Thank you.